If you are a developer working with Redux, you are probably familiar with the amount of boilerplate code required to set up and manage your Redux store. And that's where Redux Toolkit comes in. So Redux Toolkit is a set of tools and best practices designed to simplify the Redux development process and make it more efficient. One of the main features of Redux Toolkit is built-in support for common Redux use cases. It can automatically create slices of the store that handle specific piece of state using the createSlice function. This means you write less code and your code is more organized, which is pretty cool, right? Also, Redux Toolkit has simplified versions of several common Redux functionalities such as createReducer and createAction. So we don't need to create actions and reducers from scratch, which makes it easier to write concise and readable code. Additionally, Redux Toolkit has configureStore, which provides default setup for store and lets you easily enable additional middleware. In short, Redux Toolkit is a great option for developers who wants to increase the speed of their Redux development process and write less boilerplate code. It's easy to learn and use, and it helps make your Redux code more maintainable and scalable over time. So give it a try and see how it can simplify your Redux code. By the way, if you want to learn Redux from scratch, you can also check out my Ultimate Redux course. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.